I started having problems maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And originally I was losing some of my wisdom teeth. It was maybe over a course of several months to a year that things degraded to the point where I knew I had to do something. I didn't have a short-term solution. That's when I started looking at other options, dentures and things like that, and that just didn't, to me, look like, the long haul solution. I thought I got a lot of years to live, hopefully, and I want something that's, going to get me some enjoyment out of life. Considering all the information that was out on the web about different procedures and different options, I found the Highbridge website had everything that I needed in one place. And then I went in for an interview, talked to the doctors. They spent quite a bit of time one day with me, walking through the whole procedure, the timeline, and I got very comfortable with it. And within a week, I had decided that's what I want to do. Everything worked exactly the way they said it would work. They always explained to me what they were doing before they did it, and that got me very comfortable with the process. I've been a play-by-play announcer for sports in the local cable TV channel for, it'll be 25 years this year. And I was concerned if I was going to sound differently, if I was going to be able to pronounce the words that I use regularly the same. And the doctors assured me that no, I'd have no problem sounding the same. And sure enough, it was within a week I was back in the booth. And the first apprehension was just as the show was setting up, being concerned. But once we got going, once the play started, I carried through the whole game, the whole show, and didn't even think about it until the end. And once we were all done, I talked to the crew and I talked to the other people in the broadcast booth. Did you hear anything different? Did I sound different? And everybody said, no, you sounded exactly the same. So I thought, okay, they were right. After Highbridge, I've noticed that I can eat pretty much anything I want, everything I've eaten in the past, before I started having problems, no issues, and I can go on days and weeks without thinking about it. It's so natural. I don't know where I'd be without it. As things were going downhill, I would not have had any kind of life I would have liked with dentures or even doing nothing. Without hesitation, I'd recommend Highbridge. My experiences were so positive. I was concerned about, how much pain would there be? And as it turned out, I really can't say there was any pain. There might have been some times of discomfort, but no real pain. And so I'd say, absolutely, I'd recommend it.